Water pollution. Water pollution is nothing but presence of foreign substance or impurity degrading water quality and thus making it toxic or harmful for humans. Cause of water pollution. Main causes of water pollution are: solid waste refers to the range of garbage materials arising from animal and human activities. Industrial waste. Sewage and waste thrown in water without treatment. Oil spills in oceans. Agriculture runoff. Effects of water pollution. Effects of water pollution are: waterborne diseases. Diseases spread by unsafe water include cholera, giardia, and typhoid. Death of aquatic animals. Impact on marine biodiversity. Impure or toxic drinking water. Chemicals and heavy metals from industrial and municipal wastewater contaminate waterways as well. Control measures. Following control measures must be enforced to control water pollution. Tightly monitored sewage treatment plants. Adopting organic farming. Educating people. Prevent runoff of manure. Planting trees would reduce pollution by sediments and will also prevent soil erosion. Reduce your plastic consumption and reuse or recycle plastic when you can. Properly dispose of chemical cleaners, oils, and non-biodegradable items to keep them from ending up down the drain. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.